Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to redeem Roblox gift card. So before starting, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel Karam. So let's start the video. First of all, make sure open the first of all Chrome browser and type roblox.com and make sure you are logging in the ID with the same ID. So once you log in into Roblox, now just copy this URL and paste it again and remove home keyword and type redeem after forward slash and enter. So here you can see, so this is the page where you can redeem your gift card, virtual items and promo code. So if you have a code, then you can enter here and directly redeem the Roblox gift card. And if you have a physical card, then you can sketch the card and enter the code here, and after entering the code you can tap on this redeem button and your card will be redeemed on your account. So this is the only process, and hope you like it. And if you want more video on this Roblox, then you can watch subscribe to our channel, like the video. Till then, bye bye.